Welcome, here I've got TCL 25G and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera shutter sound at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on auto photo mode. Let me take a picture. As you can hear, the sound is turned on. To turn it off, we have to move to the left corner button to open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit down to the general category, and here we can find the shutter sound option. So by tapping to the button from the right, we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. Now let me keep it turned off. When we move back to the camera and take another picture, we can't hear anything now. And of course, when we tap to the left corner button once again, slide down to the general and pick to the shutter sound button from the right, we can turn it on again and hear it. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.